Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about 3 detox juice recipes for healthy skin and digestion. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Do you want to be healthy? Or are you looking for a beneficial drink that helps your digestive system? Or something that makes your skin glowing? You are at the right place. This video is going to be sharing with you 3 wonderful recipes of juices that are beneficial for any part of your body, especially your skin and your digestive system. These recipes are super easy and won't take your time more than 10 minutes. If you want to maintain your health, what will be better than to start off your day with hydrating, vibrant detox juices that are full of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is highly recommended by experts to keep the body hydrated because it flushes away toxins, keeps your skin smooth, glowing, and youthful. Having these juices as snacks will help you to feel full for a longer time, and prevents you from having junk foods. You may think juicing often looks costly, and not always the tastiest. But that's not true. There are billions of juice recipes. You can choose the one which is proper for you in any aspect. If you don't like their taste, you can add or remove ingredients to it in order to become tastier for you. As there are many different types of juices on the markets, you may be tempted to have them, but to be honest, most of them are just tricks. If you are serious about your health, and you want to drink something beneficial for your health, it's time to do it yourself. Make your juices yourself. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Green juice. This homemade green juice not only gives you glowing skin, but also provides you a healthier body, and a more powerful immune system that can help you to fight off the viruses around you. What you need for this juice are apples, celery, and kale leaves. If you feel apprehensive about drinking celery, you can add more apples to your juice, and reduce the amount of celery. While you are making it for the first time, you can slowly add veggies to the ingredients, to see how much of them feels tasty to you. This juice helps your skin to be hydrated and youthful. Vitamin C, which increases the collagen production in the body, keeps your skin firm. Vitamin K helps you to reduce your stress levels and has a positive effect on your skin and many parts of the body. And eventually, lots of water in this juice maintains your body hydrated, which leads you to have less wrinkled skin. Blend all the ingredients together and keep in mind that don't store it in the fridge for days, it will lose its vitamins. Number 2. Lemon juice. Lemon water is one of the best beverages for summer days. When it is a hot day and you are very thirsty and exhausted from sweating, a glass of cold lemon detox can refresh you again. This juice is a huge storage of antioxidants, vitamin C, and pectin fiber, which can help you to get rid of toxins. Other benefits you can gain from this drink are to increase iron absorption, improve your immune system, and reduce the risks of cancers. If you want to use it for weight loss purposes, it would be great to squeeze some drops of a lemon into a glass of water and drink it with an empty stomach. You can also add 1 teaspoon of honey to it to balance its sour taste. You can add ginger to it if you like the taste of ginger. So, what you need for this amazing juice is lemon, honey, and ginger. Mix all the ingredients, and if your lemons are too sour, you can add water to your juice. Have it in mind, please, if you have digestive system problems, do not drink it with an empty stomach, because it will make some trouble for you. Number 3. Banana smoothie. Smoothies are the easiest to make. You just need to blend all the ingredients in a high-powered blender. They are a mixture of natural sugar, vegetables, and vitamins, and rich in minerals. The smoothie we want to tell you is a combination of banana, mango, and spinach, which contains healthy fats, fiber, and protein. You need 1 cup of almond milk or coconut milk, or soy milk, a banana and mango, preferably frozen, 2 handfuls of baby spinach, half teaspoon of sugar-free vanilla powder. You could add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Depend on your taste, you can add it or not. And the only thing you should do next is to mix them all in a blender and serve it. There are plenty of smoothies recipes. If you do not like this one, there are hundreds of them outside you can try. Eating healthy is a choice that should be made by everyone because of the benefits it provides to your body. If you eat well and have your regular exercises, you take the 2 most important steps for having a long, healthy life. A healthy diet will keep your skin youthful, smooth, hydrated, and it helps your digestive system to be more balanced. As a result, you will be stronger against diseases and you will deal with daily stresses and problems more easily. Detoxing doesn't mean just ridding toxins from your body. It also means getting rid of negativity in every part of your daily activity, even your personal life, such as the negative people around you. Detoxing means keeping anything that no longer provides benefits to you. Are you willing to detox your body with these juices? Do you know any more tasty juice recipes? Feel free to share your ideas and your favorite recipes with us in the comments section below. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.